There are different types of sums from time, speed and distance that comes in many competitive exams. So today we'll only focus on the sums, different types of sums we'll do today on based on time, speed and distance. Anthony travels half of his distance. हाफ ऑफ डिस्टेंस अगर हम x लेते हैं तो टोटल डिस्टेंस विल बी 2x. ठीक है. सो हाफ ऑफ डिस्टेंस वो 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से जाता है और बचा हुआ हाफ जो है 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से जाता है और रेस्ट रिटर्न के टाइम भी वो 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से आता है. तो टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल बाय हिम विल बी x plus 2x 4x and total time taken time will be equal to distance by speed. So x upon 60 plus x upon 60 plus 2x upon this will be 80 2x upon 60. ठीक है. So speed will be 4x total distance upon total time. X upon 60 plus x upon 80 plus 2x upon 60. हम x को कॉमन लेते हैं. ओके और ये 1 upon 60 2 upon 60 3 upon 60 plus 1 upon 80. ओके ये 20 हुआ. x कैंसिल 4 upon 4 up plus 1 upon 80 हो जाएगा. ओके now it will be 4 by 5 multiplied by 80 16. So 64 kilometers per hour. A person travels A to P डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करता है 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से एंड B to A सेम वे में रिटर्न हो जाता है 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से. ओके नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एवरेज स्पीड. तो एवरेज स्पीड क्या होता है हमने पहले भी पिछले वीडियो में भी देखा है. द फॉर्मूला इज 2xy डिवाइडेड बाय x प्लस y. Okay, so 2 into 80 into 60 divided by 80 plus 60. Okay, so 2 into 80 into 60 divided by 140. Okay, so the value will be 480 divided by 7. So that will be 68. 4 upon 7 kilometer per hour की speed. Akhil is 1 integer 2 upon 5 times as fast as Nikhil. तो 1 integer 2 upon 5 means 7 upon 5 times as fast as Nikhil. Nikhil से fast है Akhil. Okay. So Akhil and Nikhil का जो ratio होगा that will be 7:5. Now the length of race. Length of race हम ले लेते हैं अगर D है. Let. Okay. Then तो Akhil has started late. Nikhil ने 100 meters complete कर लिया. Then Akhil started. And but Akhil ने D distance complete किया and उतने देर में निखिल अभी 100 meters पीछे ही था. Okay. So total जितने देर में जितना time Akhil has taken to complete D distance, निखिल ने उतने time में D minus 200 distance ही complete किया. Right. So तो D इन दोनों का रेशियो इज 7 upon 5. सो 7D minus 1400 is equal to 5D. So the value of D will be 700 meters. मतलब जो रेस था distance of race was 700 meters. Arjun driving 4/5 of his speed. तो ओरिजिनल स्पीड s है. सो डिस्टेंस वो उसके घर जाने के लिए d है और टाइम वो t लेता है. राइट. सो अगर वो 4/5 ऑफ स्पीड से ट्रैवल करता है तो ही इज टेकिंग 15 मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा. ठीक है. सो दिस इज इक्वेशन 1. इक्वेशन 2. नाउ वी हैव टू v का वैल्यू सेम है. सो वी कैन राइट s into t is equal to 4 upon 5 s t plus 1 upon 4. ठीक है. नाउ s cancel. So 5t is equal to 4t plus 4 into 1 upon 4 is 1. Now t is equal to 1 hour. In a 100 meters race, A beats B by 20 meters. So when A is completing 100 meters, B will complete only 80 meters because B को वो beat कर रहा है 20 meters से. Okay. Now, similarly, when B is completing 100 meters, C will complete only 90 meters. Because C is doing 90% of B. Okay. Now, when A is doing 100 meters, B is doing 80 meters. So C कितना करेगा in the same time, in that time. So C is doing only 90% of B. So 90% of 80 will be 72. So C will be doing 72 meters. So A beats C by 28 meters. In a 400 meter race, Olympic race, Y beats X by 20 meters और 4 seconds. So Y जितने देर में 400 meters cover कर रहा है, X जो है या तो 300 meters cover करेगा या फिर 4 seconds extra ले रहा है. मतलब जो extra 20 meters cover करने के लिए he is taking that X is taking 4 seconds. So speed of X will be 20 divided by 4. So 20 meters in 4 seconds. So 5 meter per second will be the speed of X. ठीक है? Now we have to find out the time. कितना time cover लेगा वो 400 meters cover करने के लिए. That X will take because the speed time will be speed distance by speed. So it will be 80 seconds. So X is taking 80 seconds. So Y कितना seconds लेगा? Y will take 4 seconds less. So Y will be taking 80 minus 4, that is 76 seconds to complete 400 meters race. So speed of Y will be 400 divided by 76. That is 5 minutes, 5.26 meter per second. Meter per second. Okay. A boat travels 60 km downstream in 6 hours. So the speed downstream will be 60 upon 60 km in 6 hours. So it will be 10 km per hour. Okay. Now that the same boat is completing 40 kilometers upstream. So speed upstream will be 40 km divided by 5 hours. So it will be 8 km per hour. Now we have to find out the speed of stream and speed of boat. So speed of stream will be 10 minus, because speed in down minus speed in up. So 10 minus 8 divided by 2, this will be 1 kilometer per hour. And speed of boat in still water will be S down plus S up. 10 plus 8 divided by 2. मतलब 18 upon 2, 9 kilometer per hour. The length of first train. So L1 is 250 meters. Okay. And length of second train is 400 meters. What we have to find out? We have to find out the time taken जो कि 2. ओके, दिस ट्रेन ओवरटेक करना है. सो ओवरटेक का मतलब क्या है? L1 यहाँ पे होगी, L2 यहाँ पे होगी. सो L2 जैसे ही यहाँ L1 L2 के आगे पहुँच गई, दैट विल बी, इसको बोलेंगे ओवरटेक करना. सो वी हैव टू टेक द होल डिस्टेंस. होल डिस्टेंस विल बी 650 meters. इसको हम लोग कंसिडर करेंगे एट द डिस्टेंस, टोटल डिस्टेंस. Now we'll take the speed S1. Speed of 1 is given 60 kilometer per hour. मतलब 60 into 5 upon 18 meter per second. S2 will be 80 kilometer per hour. It means 80 into 5 upon 18 meter per second. Now we have to find out the time. The total distance is 650 meters divided by 80 minus 60 into 5 upon 18. So that will be 650 divided by 20 multiplied by 5, 18. So it will be 117 seconds. A railway track is led between two tunnels, tunnel A and tunnel B. और railway track जो है that is 900 meters long, so 0.9 kilometers, and tunnel A is 3.2 kilometers and B is 1.5 6 किलोमीटर. नाउ 7:30 AM को एक ट्रेन जाती है अंदर एंड ट्रेन का जो लेंथ है, द ट्रेन का जो लेंथ है दैट इज 0.3 किलोमीटर्स, मतलब 300 मीटर्स लॉन्ग ट्रेन है. सो दैट इज एंटरिंग, एंटर करती है वो ट्रेन एट 7:30 AM. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एट व्हाट टाइम वो ट्रेन यहाँ से निकलेगी, कौन से टाइम को. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल टेक total distance. For distance we'll consider this distance also. Okay, and speed of train is 20 kilometer per hour. ये speed से train चल रही है. Now we have to find out the time. Time is distance upon speed. First of all we have to find out the distance. क्या है 0.3 plus 3.2 सबको हमने किलोमीटर्स में कन्वर्ट किया है. 0.9 plus 1 upon 1.6 that is 6 kilometer. Now total distance is 6 kilometer and total speed is 20 kilometers per hour. Now this is in hour. ठीक है, तो time will be in hour. So we'll convert it into minutes. So 6 into 60 डाल देंगे तो minutes हो जाएंगे. Now divided by 23. So it will be 18 minutes. It will take 18 minutes. So if it started at 7:30 AM. So 7:30 AM plus 18 minutes. So that will be 7:48 AM. Okay. Vish is traveling to his office from his home at his 1/5 of his usual speed. So he was late. कितना late? 15 minutes. So 1/4 hours late. Okay. Now if he increases his speed by 20%, so that will be 6/5s. So वो कितने मिनट्स पहले पहुंचेगा? 15 मिनट्स पहले अर्ली पहुंच जाता है ऑफिस. So we can write 1/5s t plus 1/4 is equal to 6/5s t minus 1/4. S cancel. T plus 1/4 is equal to 6t minus 6/4. So 5t will be equal to 6/4 plus 1/4. That will be 7/4. So t will be equal to 7/20 hours. Okay. So we'll convert it into minutes. It will be 7 into 60 divided by 20. It will be 21 minutes. So his usual speed is 21 minutes. A motorist can cover 325 kilometers in 5 hours. So his speed will be 65 kilometers per hour. Okay. Now his speed is decreased by 15 kilometers per hour. मतलब s minus 15 will be 65 minus 15. That will be 50 kilometers per hour speed हो गई उसकी, decrease होगा. Now he has to cover 650 kilometers उसे cover करना है. Okay. So speed उसकी जो है speed is 50. So how much time it will take? तो 50 से time लेना है तो it will take 13 hours. A and B start at the same time from two different stations. So this is station P, this is station Q. Okay. And A यहाँ से start करता है at x kilometer per hour and B starts from Q station at y kilometer per hour. ठीक है. Now in question it's given एक point पे they cross each other and after crossing each other A जो है वो 4 hours लेता है Q station पहुंचने के लिए and B जो है वो 16 hours लेता है Q station P station पहुंचने के लिए. So can we find out the distance? ये डिस्टेंस हम ले सकते हैं 16 hours time into speed will be equal to distance. So this distance will be 16 hours into y is taking that means y B is taking this 16 hours. So y kilometer per hour है तो 16y will be this distance and 4x will be this distance. Fine. Now after crossing each other both the trains will take same time to cover 16y. Same time they will take to cover 16y and 4x. So can we write like this? 16y divided by x will be equal to 4x divided by y. लिख सकते हैं. So now 4x square will be equal to 16y square. So 2x will be equal to 4y. So x will be equal to 2y. So y will be equal to 1 upon 2x. And since it's given कि p जो है, जो ट्रेन p से स्टार्ट हो रही है, दैट इज ट्रेन b, उसकी स्पीड इज 60 किलोमीटर है. सो y विल बी इक्वल टू 60 अपॉन 2, दैट विल बी 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ओके. A boatman takes thrice when he is going against the current. So speed will be so speed in down will be thrice speed in upstream. Okay, as we know that downstream is x plus y and upstream is x minus y. Thrice. So x plus y will be 3x minus 3y. So 2x and will be equal to 4y. So x upon y will be 2 upon 1. So the ratio will be 2:1. I hope you understood all the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.